20 simple habits to improve your life in 6 months. 1. Make your bed. Start your day with a small win to feel good. 2. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. Your body needs water, so drink up. 3. Work out for 30 minutes. It wakes up your brain and body. 4. Go outside early. Being outdoors in the morning is good for your energy. 5. Think about your goals. Remember what you're aiming for. Having clear goals can lead to more success. 6. Read something meaningful. Before using your phone, read something like usefully to improve your life and knowledge. 7. Water a plant or feed your pet. Caring for something, like a plant or a pet, teaches responsibility. 8. End your shower with cold water for 1 to 2 minutes. It's refreshing and energizing. 9. Send a good morning message. Brighten someone's day with a text. 10. Turn off your phone for a while. Use airplane mode to avoid distractions. 11. Listen to music. Music can make you feel better and enjoy things more. 12. Drink water before eating. It helps you feel full and eat less. 13. Plan your next day with the 3-3-3 rule. Spend 3 hours on a big task. Do 3 smaller tasks and 3 things to maintain your life. This helps you stay organized and peaceful. 14. Have a routine to end your workday. Do things like tidy your desk and turn off your computer to separate work from home life. 15. Write about a good moment each day. Noting down something positive can make you feel more thankful. 16. Choose your clothes for the next day. Prepare in advance to make mornings easier. 17. Pack healthy snacks. You'll feel better when you're not hungry. 18. Charge your phone away from your bed. This way, getting up in the morning is easier. 19. Practice 4-7-8 breathing. This breathing method can reduce stress and help you sleep. 20. Give your mind a problem to solve before sleeping. Think of a challenge, like finding ways to earn extra money, and let your subconscious work on it overnight. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.